Hi everybody and welcome. Wow, it's in the evening. It's around 8:30 and I haven't eaten dinner, so I just wanted to make a smoothie, a quick one. That way I have something in my stomach. I know it's late, but I have to do it because today it was a really busy day, and sorry, I was in town to get some things done. First of all, I had to go to the optica to check my eyes and my glasses. So after that, I went to town. I had lunch, walk around, but I didn't like it. It was so cold. Oh, it was freezing cold. A lot of people around, and I was not feeling it at all. So I went back. Then I went to shopping. Sorry. Okay, I was shopping for some small stuff. I might need hygienic stuff or something, so I will just show you a review what I all bought for my hygiene stuff, because yeah, a few stuff, cosmetic stuff and something. Yeah, so now I want to make, and I was so tired when I came home. I made my hot tea, my home warm bottle. I just decided to drink my tea, and I went to bed because I was so tired I couldn't hold it. Now I am here. I just thought before I just not do it right, I'm going to film this. So I'm going to be making some smoothie. I will let you see what I am doing. So I have some frozen fruits. I have some frozen fruits which I just had to put them in the microwave a little bit shortly because I don't want to eat anything really cold, because I just feel like my head is not feeling, I'm having really bad headache right now. So I have a really ripe banana because I didn't want to throw it away. I don't like throwing. This is good for smoothie. So I'm going to make, I put it in. I'm going to add my peanuts. I normally add some, I normally have always like, I didn't want to add no sugar anymore, so I will add a little bit of milk. Normally I always add water, but today I just feel like I should be adding some milk and see how it's going to taste. And now we're going to blend this together. So now my smoothie is done. Normally I have some ginger inside. I have peanut butter, but as I have normal peanuts, I don't put peanut butter. I don't have honey inside because I didn't want to have so much sugar in it during the evening when I'm supposed to go sleep. So that's a quick one. It will make you full. and it's kind of healthy. So I hope you enjoy it. So on it, I'll be making cappuccino. It's a big cup. The cappuccino I always drink, not always, once in a while. But for now, because I've been drinking tea the whole day, I thought I could make this. So it's very easy. You don't need no milk. It's on setup. I just add a little bit of the sweet tubs and I'm good to go. So that's it. It's good. It's really good. So I'm going to just sit down and enjoy it all. I have to edit a little bit of mine. It's really late today. I didn't even put my video out. I need to. So I need to do it really quick. Holy cow, it's hot. I really drink hot, but oh, it just burned. So, see you. Hi and welcome back. So today, as I say, I went shopping. Oh, I have for the cosmetic. For the cosmetic stuff I bought for my what do you call it? For my bathtub. I have this. I love Dove. So I saw this on the bed. It smells so good. It smells really good. So I thought I am going to get it. So I got Dove, and it's made out of, what do you call this? It's not peanuts, the other one. Hibiscus, and all the stuff, good stuff for the body, for your skin. And then I have my Nivea, as always. I am a Nivea person. I love Nivea. I've been using it. I have a sensitive skin, and normally I don't change my body creams because my skin is too sensitive. So when I use something which goes with my skin, I stick on it. And then I bought for my shower. I always take this. I think you've seen it in some of the other video. So this is what I take for my shower. Yeah, I bought two. So I have for my feet. I wanna do my feet. So the next day coming, I thought I get this for my feet. I have for my son and my husband this. They use this a lot. So yeah, I bought a clock. Well, I don't use it. It's for my son. And I have for my feet, or for female feet cream, I bought this shea butter and avocado oil. You know, when you take care of your feet, you wash them, you do everything. At the end, you apply this to moisturize them, keep them well, and look good. This is what I bought for that. And I bought for my powder, this is baking bronze or something. I had this before, so I want to test it again. It's from Riviera and it was cheap. It was very cheap. So I have also from the same company, Rival Love Me lipstick. I wanted this color, the dark one, so I bought this. And I have my Manhattan Instant Prime and Set spraying set. So yeah, I have this as well. I have my Good Stuff face serum. I always use it. It was finished and I needed it really well, you know. I have this is also for, you can put it in a bathtub when you are showering, or no, you're sitting on your bathtub, but I would like to use it also for my soaking my feet. It's very, very good. It's original sea salt, so I have that as well. For my lips, I love using this. So this is what I use for my lips to keep them soft and moist. I have for my feet mask, these ones. I want to try them. I haven't done it before. I just was looking for them and I found them. So I'm going to use them and I will make a video how it went when I'm taking care of my feet. So they have socks. It's just a peeling. It's intensive with shea butter, avocado, and mandel oil. So I'm going to use this for my feet. I think I will do it in the next video. I also brought, for me, Fit Me, I always use from, I'm a drugstore girl, makeup girl, so most of the time I like using such. And I have also volume mascara. So that's, I think, all I have for what I'm gonna use. The rest is not really important. And yeah, so that's it. I have, and I'm going to make sure next time I'm going to do all this for my feet and all. I'll take a video, make a day just to do it, and I show you how I'm doing it. I will see you later, I guess, when I continue with this. So that was my shopping, and that's it for now. I'm going to get myself ready. I'm tired. Get my makeup up. I have already my chilling sleeping costume, and I'm just going to rest.